Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am out here in my mom's deck. We're gonna be renovating this space and I want to bring you guys along. Those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love making home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I did my mom's deck like 2 years ago, but today we're revamping the space. It rains a lot here in Florida and you already know that that has some damage and it's looking dated. So we're gonna just flip it because that's what we do. If you wanna see this transformation, please keep on watching today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Best Choice Products. If you're not familiar with Best Choice Products, they have a huge selection of outdoor furniture and also outdoor decor, so check them out. The prices are very affordable and the quality of the furniture is amazing. Casas Mar send these cool products here. One of them is an outdoor Wi-Fi plug. The other one is a Casas Mar Wi-Fi plug light and also the light bulb Smart. All of it is controlled with Alexa and also with an app on your phone. So this is super cool. This is the one I'm going to be using on today's video. It's the outdoor plug. If you guys been following along on Instagram, I'll be giving you a sneak peek of this whole process. But today you get to see the reveal. You guys, my mom's deck became, I don't even know what it became, like just Jaden's toys, Christmas stuff. It was a dumping station. And now that we have to spend so much time at home, it is important for us to keep our outdoor space nice and clean so we could enjoy it. So as soon as I got there, I spent a whole month in Florida with her. I knew it was time. The first thing we did, as you can see in the videos, was declutter and clean the space. This backyard makeover was a family affair. Even Jaden helped and he was so excited. When the decluttering process was done, the next step was to repair the deck, and that's what I'm doing here. Yes, I'm using a knife, using whatever I had in hand. Then I went ahead and did some light sanding to the areas that I repaired. You guys, Home Depot saved my life on this project. This sprayer that I got to paint the deck was like a life-changing thing, okay? I totally recommend it. Don't forget to check the description box because I'm gonna be listing everything that I use for this deck makeover, including the sprayer, the paint color, every single detail. New paint was gonna be the wow factor on this makeover. It was just gonna make the deck look brand new, and that's exactly what we got. Look at the difference, you guys. Here you see the old lighting from the deck. I just decided to spray paint them and give them a brand new look. I went with a black matte finish. So on day 2, it was time to finish the other side of the deck, and here's the before of this area. My mom has an outdoor kitchen here that she wanted to keep, so I just went ahead and decided to paint the cabinet. So here I'm using this degreaser from the Dollar Tree, I believe, and I'm just giving them a good clean before I paint them. And here's a little clip of me painting them. It was super easy and I totally recommend this paint. You guys, I'm going to show you here. This one, I got it at Home Depot. This buzzwood panels from Amazon, and I decided to create an accent wall using them, and I think I used about 2 or 3 boxes. I will list everything down below in the description box, but it turned out super pretty. You guys can see all the furniture that I chose for this area. All the furniture is from Best Choice Products. Here you're gonna see the 7-piece modular wicker sectional in the color brown and tan. We also have the fire pit in brown and this really pretty bistro set that it comes with 3 pieces. And I'm in love with. My mom loved every single furniture piece in here. So here for the outdoor dining area, I kept my mom's old table, added a new umbrella from Best Choice Products and new chairs as well. The chairs came with cushions, they're very comfortable. And here I'm just styling the table. Everything that you see on this table escape came from Hobby Lobby. This right here is the outdoor wicker bar counter table. from Best Choice Products, and you guys, it fits so perfect here on this base near the hot tub. Guys, here it is. Here's the reveal. Welcome to my mom's brand new deck. You guys, I am obsessed with the way everything turned out. I believe that now she has an inviting space, she has a functional space, with everything just flows now and everything looks so perfect, just in time for the summertime. It is time to enjoy the outdoors, you guys. And if you have a project that you want to tackle, I suggest you do it because it just makes such a big difference and it makes your heart happy. At least it does to me. Let me know what was your favorite part of this transformation down in the comments, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.
I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer when you left, it was